The universe is so big it breaks the human mind. If the sun were the size of a single grain of sand, our galaxy would still be the size of an entire continent. There are more stars in the sky than grains of sand on every beach on Earth. And our galaxy is just one of perhaps 2 trillion galaxies. When you truly grasp the scale, you realize that everything you have ever known, all of human history, happened on one tiny speck, lost in an ocean of space almost beyond imagining. Black holes are the most terrifying objects in existence. They are points where gravity becomes so strong that not even light can escape. Fall in, and time itself warps. From the outside you would appear to freeze forever at the edge. At the center may lie a singularity, where the laws of physics simply break down. And the largest ones are monsters, billions of times heavier than our sun, lurking in the heart of nearly every galaxy. There is one at the center of ours right now, silently devouring everything that drifts too close. When you look up at the night sky, you are looking into the past. Light takes time to travel, so the stars you see are not as they are now, but as they were long ago. Some of that starlight left before humans existed. A few stars you can see may have already died, yet their light still travels to your eyes, ghost shining in the dark. The further we look into space, the further back in time we see. With powerful telescopes, we can look back almost to the birth of the universe itself. The universe is unimaginably vast, with billions of Earth-like planets. By all logic, it should be teeming with life. So where is everybody? This is the Fermi paradox, and the silence is unsettling. Maybe life is far rarer than we think. Maybe civilizations destroy themselves before they can reach the stars. Maybe they are out there but choose to stay hidden. Or, the most chilling thought, maybe something dangerous makes them go quiet. In all the endless cosmos, we have searched and so far heard nothing but silence. Does the universe have an edge? In a way, yes, but not the kind you would expect. We can only see a certain distance, because beyond it, light has not had time to reach us since the universe began. This is the observable universe, a bubble around us about 93 billion light-years across. But the universe likely continues far beyond, perhaps infinitely. And here is the strange part, because space itself is expanding, distant galaxies are vanishing from view forever. We are watching the universe slowly close its doors around us. Time is not as fixed as it feels. The faster you move, the slower time passes for you, and strong gravity slows it too. This is not science fiction, it is real and measured every day. Astronauts on the space station age very slightly slower than we do. Near a black hole, the effect is extreme. A few hours for you could be decades back on Earth. In theory, you could travel thousands of years into the future simply by moving fast enough. The future is reachable. It is the past we can never return to. Not every planet orbits a star. Drifting alone through the dark between the stars are rogue planets, worlds flung out of their solar systems, wandering the galaxy in eternal night. There may be billions of them, more rogue planets than stars. Imagine a world with no sun, no day, its surface frozen solid, its oceans turned to ice. And yet, some scientists think a thick atmosphere or inner heat could keep a hidden ocean liquid beneath the ice. Even in the cold and the dark, alone, life might just find a way. How will the universe end? The leading theory is quiet and cold. As the universe expands forever, stars will burn out one by one. In trillions of years, the last star will fade, and the cosmos will fall dark. Black holes will slowly evaporate over spans of time so vast the numbers lose meaning. Eventually, nothing will be left but a cold, empty, silent void, spread thin across infinity. They call it the heat death. But do not worry, this is so far in the future that the number of years is almost impossible to even write down. In 1990, a spacecraft leaving our solar system turned its camera back toward home. From 4 billion miles away, it took a photo of Earth. In it, our entire world is less than a single pixel, a tiny pale blue dot suspended in a beam of sunlight. Everyone who ever lived, every king and every war, every love story in all of history, all of it happened on that one fragile speck. It is a humbling reminder. In the vastness of space, the Earth is very small and very, very precious. Here is the most beautiful fact in all of science. Almost every atom in your body was forged inside a star. The iron in your blood, the calcium in your bones, the oxygen you breathe, all of it was cooked in the hearts of ancient stars and scattered across space when they exploded. You are, quite literally, made of stardust. The universe is not separate from us, we are a part of it that became aware of itself. When you look up at the stars, you are, in a sense, looking back at where you came from.